Okay, now let us proceed by our next topic. It's all about function. When we say function, function is a special kind of relation or a special type of relation. A relation is called a function if no two distinct ordered pairs in it have the same first coordinates. Or just simply, we can say that the given relation is a function if the domain is not repeated. Or sa Tagalog, masasabi natin na ang relation ay isang uri ng function kapag yung domain natin ay hindi mauulit. Ano ba yung domain? Yung mga unang number, letter, or word sa loob ng parenthesis. O based on the given, may naulit po pa tayong domain dito. Set. Therefore, we can say that set A is an example of function because wala namang naulit na domain. Sorry. Do you understand? Okay. All functions are relations but not all relations are functions. Sa Tagalog, lahat daw ng function ay halimbawa ng relation, pero hindi lahat ng relation ay function. Okay, meron tayong 4 classification of relation, right? Okay, we have one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one, and many-to-many. So, let us identify kung alin sa apat ang example ng function. When we say one-to-one, mauulit ba yung domain natin doon? No, therefore, one-to-one is also a kind of function. How about one-to-many? One-to-many. Kung isusulat natin siya as ordered pair, so this will become 1, A. Ano pa po? 1, B. Okay, what is the domain? May naulit po ba? So, meaning, one-to-many is not a function because the domain is repeated. Do you understand? How about many-to-one? Do you think many-to-one is a function? Many-to-one. Halimbawa, we have A, 1. B, 1. Ano yung domain natin? A and B. May naulit ba? Wala. Therefore, many-to-one is also a kind of function. And how about many-to-many? Functions or not? Okay, pag sinabi natin many-to-many, may naulit na domain, may naulit na range. Meaning, many-to-many is a combination of one-to-many and many-to-one. So, therefore, sa 4 kinds of classification of relation, we have one-to-one and many-to-one lang ang function. So, si one-to-many at si many-to-many ay not function because naulit ang ating domain. Do you understand? Okay, at this time, class, you're going to identify whether the given ordered pair is a functions or not. Letter A, the elements of set A are 3, 5, 2, 7, 4, 6, and negative 3, negative 5. Okay, Peralta, first identify the domain. What is the domain?
3, 2, 4, negative 3.
Okay, may naulit bang domain, anak? Wala. Functions or not? Okay, function yon. So, kahit si range ay maulit, basta ang pinag-uusapan lang natin si domain lang. Okay, therefore, letter A is a function. Letter B, are the elements of set B are 3, 8, 5, 2, 7, 2, 9, 7, 8, 7. Yes, Iho at the back. First, identify the domain.
3, 5, 7, 9.
May naulit ka ba anak na domain? Functions or not? Very good. Functions pa rin yan. Question? Okay, next, the elements of set X. De Pamalio, what are the domains? Okay, may naulit ba na domain? Functions or not? Not function. Because the domain is repeated. How about number 4? The elements of set Q are 1, A, 2, A, 3, B, 4, B, 5, C, 6, C. Yes, Iho? The domains are? Functions or not? Okay, so any question? Okay, we can identify if the given relation is a functions or not, given the ordered pairs. Okay, this time class, let us identify if the given relations is a functions or not given na mapping naman tayo. Mapping or what we call the arrow diagram. Gumagamit tayo ng ano dito? Ng arrow. Okay, same procedure pa rin. To identify if the given mapping or arrow diagram is a functions or not, if the domain is paired with each member in the range. Meaning, si domain ay hindi pwedeng maulit. Example, we have one-to-one and many-to-one is only the kinds of, or only an example of function. Okay, so one-to-many and many-to-many is not a function. Identify whether the given mapping is a function or not function. First order pairs or first example. Observe the given. Masbang, what is your answer? Functions Y, stand up. Sino ang naulit natin? Si 8. So, si 8 ay nasaan? Range, meaning function pa rin yan. Do you understand? So, walang naulit na domain, therefore, functions pa rin. Kailan po ba natin class masasabi na may naulit sa mapping natin? Kapag naturo siya ng 2 beses. So, si 10 ba ay naturo ng 2 beses? Si 3, si 4, si 7, si 5. Okay, therefore, function pa rin siya. Question. Okay, next, second one. Analyze first the given mapping. Then, tell whether the given is a function or not. Palabras. Functions or not? Not. Why? Ano yung domain na naulit? Okay, very good. Si 5 ay tinuro ng 2 beses. Okay, ito natin, naintindihan po ba? Therefore, not function iyan. Because 5 is repeated. Okay, now, what kind of relation is this? What kind of relation? Okay, again, the given is not function because 5 is repeated. Okay, therefore, if the given is not a function, what kind of relation? Yes, De Pamalio. Many to many. Bakit many to many? Naulit si 5 dito. Si 5 din dito ay naulit-ulit. So, meaning parehas na ulit sa dalawa, sa domain at sa range. The third one. Tell whether the given example is a function or not. Chotorena. Not. Ano ang naulit mo? Anong number, anak? 1. Very good. Not function. What kind of relation is this? Anyone? Ara dito. No? Yes? No? Many to? Many. Why? Naulit si 1 at naulit din si 0. Si 0 ay nakaturo kanino? Kay negative 1 at kay positive. Class 0 to ha, typo lang yan. Walang negative 0. Walang value ang 0, kaya wala siyang negative. 0 lang po yan ha. Okay, do you understand? Okay, again, what kind of relation is this? Many to? Last one. Coronel. Stand up. Identify whether the given is a function or not. Sige, analyze first. Functions. And what kind of relation? 1 to, very good. 1-to-1 relation. Walang naulit. Magulo lang yung arrow. Do you understand?